So welcome back everyone. Today we're planning on making the structure of our kitchen. We're using some aluminium framing this time. Instead of welding it, we're going to attach it together with this Q block over here, which is more lightweight, strong, but cheaper. So also if you work out all of your measurements beforehand, you can get it cut ready to use for the aluminium framing. So once Brennan started to cut out all of the measurements that we've got here for our kitchen, he's starting to cut it out of the aluminium box framing, and we just have to take into account the 25mm for the Q box, and we're going to start attaching it all together. And we'll take some videos of how to attach it together, and we'll take some more videos and pictures of putting the framing actually into the Caravan, and maybe some little extra tips that Brennan might have to put it together and make it look good, since he's the master of the metal. Alright, so we'll take some more photos as we go. Hope you enjoy!
Alright, I've mocked up the fridge area, cupboard area. Now I've made this out of that heavy chipboard stuff, which is not ideal, but it'll stay straight and it's very, I guess, strong. That way, this is going to be the backbone of the Caravan, keeping everything square, so then the kitchen and the toilet, shower, everything else doesn't have to be so heavy, because this will provide all the structure. Because we've got no rear on the van yet, it favours whichever side's got more weight, so I've just pulled it over a smidge, get everything squared up and level. Then I'm going to go ahead and glue and screw this off to the floor so that it's in the right position, and then screw it into the wall. The cupboard's in and we've screwed it off from the back side and glued it in, and just run a bit of a seal around this side, which probably isn't going to get seen. Amy's over just pre-drilling the, what do you call it, kitchen frame. Yeah. Then we're going to glue it and mount it in. Kitchen, 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 kitchen. We've got a kitchen. So fridge goes in there, cupboard up the top, pull out pantry go in here, drawers on the bottom, I guess. And then this framing will house some more drawers and a sink and a bench top, and a nook over here on the way out for a fire extinguisher and bits and pieces that you need all the time, like Aussie spray and bug rid. Is that the same thing? So the frame's all screwed in now, and got these bits of board notched out to go in here. And we got these draw runners, which will screw up in here for all the drawers. These ones are self-closing, so when they get to a certain point they want to spring shut.
Next time, drawers are made. Brendan tries again to bend timber. Will he overcomplicate the bedroom? And what colour will Amy paint the bench top? Tune in on the next episode of Viscount Caravan renovation stuff and bits and things.